Hello, welcome to everyone. After so long time, I am back to record the videos for the communication skills and for according to the graphic designing skills and many more things. Let's suppose you wanted to view the video. First of all, introduce about myself. I am Devendra Mato, basically a graphic designer, a BSc student, or a diploma degree holder. Basically, in today's video we are discussing about how to be consistent about your work and try to take the goals that you wanted to achieve in your life and assume the goals or try to take the decisions that you wanted to do in your life for the better experience. Okay. Now congratulations to about myself that from past of the time very many few hours or for many few months ago I have take decision about myself that I need to do regular content work, oriented work, and regularly I'll be uh, onto the front of camera and record the videos for my purpose of growth about myself and for improving the communication skills. But from day by day I degrade myself and not to be impropriate about myself that I cannot be that kind of or that could be that first of all I will explain that I was not to be sufficient about myself that I was doing the work that I wanted to do from past of the time. Lots of the time I was just suffocating myself about to just to wasting my time by scrolling the Instagram reels or watching the videos of many more things, but not to get or not to gain the skills that were wanted to very improper or very proper for the self. The only thing is that you wanted to becoming any YouTuber or any skills or anything, you just to put about yourself into it and go through it about yourself and not to worrying about it, just to focus about yourself that how could you can be the part of your life or be the part of you become or you wanted to become, so that you can or you will be the person that who wanted to that can create change in your life. Because as a man we have to make a purpose about ourselves, that we have to make always be gathered about ourselves, that we always make ourselves to be strong with as financially, mentally, emotionally, and as a protective nature of a man. We always protect ourselves as become a strong personality, because anything that your parents or the family that they wanted, that you have the tendency to give them or to give it to them for the purpose of as a family member. Because whenever you have gone outside the country or inside the country, we have noticed about that the major role of the male people was to dominate the society about ourselves, society for the growth of the people. Because for dominating the society we have to know that in this journey we have to focus about that how to could we earn money. Because nothing could be important in your life. Because let's suppose that we if you have a government job, if you have a private sector job, if you have work into the out of state for doing like a slavery for earning money not more than 10,000, this could be so much suffocating about ourselves and this could be so much disturbing about ourselves. Because from past of the time I have focused about myself that I was just disturbing about myself and not to be do whelming about myself, that I have just focusing about to teach the tuitions and not to be growth about myself. And just to focusing about myself I will just relieving all the tuitions and just to focus about one tuition one at a time. And after the time I am just focusing about to just improve about my content and improving about my journey of graphic designing. First of all my track was just not to be perfect, because I was just disturbing about myself that I have to just improve my graphic designing skills. But first of all I have know that I have to be focused about my content creation journey, graphic designing skills, also for the journey of LinkedIn profile journey, and be the good listener, be the good writer, or be the good speaker, so that the influencer that I have influenced to the people that who have listened the power of the words that can inspire them, for that the words that I have to be experienced, so that from many times I have learned many things, so that I have read the book called The Mindset from the till journey today, and the today's date was 24th of April, 24th of April 2025, and this is was the initiative, or this was the initiative operation about myself, that I can be the create the changes that I wanted to do in my life, and so that I will do more about my work, and be precise about myself, and do regular work about myself, and doing more earning more money about myself, because in today's journey I know that I have not working about my physical abilities, because if you have wanted to earn money, you have to sacrifice something, that for example the family, you have to spend a less amount of time with your family, so that the maximum time and the output was saved toward about yourself, so that how it could be important. The only thing is that the important basic survival or basic thing is that the importance about ourselves, that only single thing, that was interaction about our families. For example, if you have inside the home or outside the home, many people say that the people was get distracted or get disturb about themselves, because they are not to be blooming, or they know that um, they don't promise, but they telling to the people that we get distracted by the people that influence ourselves, that I always assume that, I always say to that, this could not be important about ourselves, because nothing could be influenced about ourselves, because first of all we have to create the mindset of the place where we can speak about ourselves, and that the influence about our voice, that could be important to ask, so that this was not to be a private video, but I can speak everything that I have journey today's video, so that today I will take a promise with myself to take a discipline journey of 7 days, so that not to be distracted about anything or any time, that where I was disturbed anything so much precise about this time, that I can over masturbating about my mental masturbating about myself, that I was so much disturbed, that I can do this, I can do this, and nothing could be happen about. Hmm. So that anything that could not be happening about ourselves, just by the same thing, or simple thing, just because of only of mental masturbation, or by doing the time pass, watching the videos of every YouTuber, just only single thing we have to know, that extra knowledge was not to be needed. First of all we have to notice about ourselves, that nothing could be needed, or nothing extra information could be needed for ourselves to becoming a great inspiring people, so that become a good listener. I wanted to know that first of all I created about myself, that I have to take a create change, because from past of the time, if whenever I have earning money for more than 8,000, I have inspired about myself, that I have no fear about anything, that I cannot purchase this, I cannot purchase this whenever. But from today's journey, if I have less amount of money, so that I have fear about myself, that I cannot purchase anything, I have no sufficient amount of money to do such a thing, so that we have to focusing about the things that we can purchase, so that we can do it by the personal growth, so that we have to focusing about the personal growth by doing the regular action, taking performance, and realizing about myself, that from past of the time regularly I wasted my time by the process of doing other activities, by losing the important activity. For example, I will just focusing about the family activity by doing more spending time with my families, or doing focusing about the examination of my diploma of first semester. After that my father was get disturbed by the some medical dysfunctionality of his body, so that I have to go for 10 to 15 days outside from my home. And so that I was so much disturbed and I cannot do such kind of work about with myself, so that I was so much disturbed. And now after that I realized that this could not be permanent. Everything that in my life or everyone's life was always let's suppose that if you have happiness, if you have fear, if you have mm, fear of failure, if you have overthinking, if you have pain, everything is temporary. Because if you wanted to do your life as a not to be a proper, because every person in your life has taking that doing regular activity of consistent working. And for coming to my body workout, I had know that I have no physique, my body structure was not to be in proper, but I can promise myself that I can do the regular exercises so that the body growth was to be proper, and the muscles gained, so that by doing the regular exercises it could be better. So this is for today's video. Thank you for watching it. And regularly I try to because for one day talking about myself or talking about anything for more than 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour not could be better. For talking about ourselves by 1 hour each day was so much. At least 10 minutes for each day was so much perfect. So that this is for today's video. Thank you.